Witness the vast, verdant fields where nature's beauty secret begins its journey. On sun-drenched farms, skilled hands carefully select the finest aloe vera leaves. Skilled hands meticulously harvest each aloe leaf, ensuring purity and potency. Harvested aloe vera leaves are carefully stacked to drain, a crucial step. From farm to factory, the journey of fresh aloe vera begins. The journey of fresh aloe vera begins, arriving at our state-of-the-art facility. Workers carefully unload fresh aloe, beginning its transformation for beauty. The fresh aloe vera leaves begin their journey, undergoing a meticulous cleansing process. Precision washing begins, cleansing each aloe vera leaf for purity. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Skilled hands meticulously trim each aloe leaf, preparing it for the next stage. Precision trimming removes the serrated edges, preparing the aloe for its beauty transformation. Precision ensures purity as leaves are meticulously cleansed for beauty. Our experts meticulously ensure every aloe leaf meets the highest quality standards. Precision cleaning ensures only the purest aloe vera proceeds to the next stage. Every leaf is handled with expert care, ensuring premium quality for beauty products. Precision and cleanliness define the initial steps as aloe leaves are prepared. Rigorous quality checks ensure only the purest aloe vera proceeds to the next stage. In the pristine filleting hall, skilled artisans meticulously prepare aloe vera for its beauty transformation.
Making good time today.
Yeah, these leaves are perfect quality.
The rhythm is excellent right now.
Skilled hands meticulously prepare the aloe, revealing its precious inner gel. Error-generating items for this scene. Skilled hands meticulously prepare aloe vera for its beauty transformation. Each cut reveals the prized, translucent gel within. Every movement on the line speaks to years of honed expertise. The journey of each aloe leaf is carefully guided by human touch. From raw leaf to pure gel, every step demands unwavering focus. The collection process ensures pure, unblemished aloe for beauty products. The rhythmic cadence of the filleting hall reflects dedicated craftsmanship. Each precious gel fillet is a testament to dedicated craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos designed to preserve the aloe's natural integrity and potency. The continuous flow of production ensures premium aloe for global beauty markets. Even discarded parts find new purpose, enriching the earth through sustainable practices. Pure aloe fillets are carefully collected, preparing for the next vital step. Quality control ensures only the purest aloe vera gel proceeds. Quality control ensures only the purest aloe vera reaches your beauty products. The freshly filleted aloe vera is now conveyed for further processing. Fresh aloe fillets are precisely milled, extracting the pure essence for beauty products. The pure aloe vera gel is then gently processed, transformed into a smooth, potent pulp. Skilled technicians meticulously oversee every step, ensuring the highest purity and quality. The pure aloe vera gel is meticulously guided for refinement. Precision is key, as skilled hands meticulously fine-tune the filtration process. The meticulous purification process begins, transforming raw aloe into a pristine essence. Automated valves regulate flow, ensuring precise and controlled processing. With each stage, the aloe vera gel becomes progressively clearer, a testament to meticulous purification. Through advanced filtration, any remaining microparticles are meticulously removed. Centrifugation re-engages, enhancing clarity and removing any remaining fine particulates. The final phase, ensuring the gel meets the highest standards of quality and purity. ensures absolute purity before the next batch. Every step is precisely documented, ensuring consistent excellence and traceability. The journey concludes with superior, purified aloe vera, ready for beauty's finest applications. Purified aloe gel, the essence of natural beauty, flows into sterile holding tanks. Precision is key, as natural preservatives are carefully added to maintain the aloe vera's pure integrity. Quality control is paramount, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards. Precision testing ensures every batch of aloe vera gel meets the highest quality standards. Rigorous quality control ensures only the finest aloe vera products reach the market. Witness the intricate network of pipes and tanks transforming raw aloe into a pure, potent extract. The purified aloe gel is carefully transferred to the blending vessel. Precision is key in crafting the perfect formula. Precision is key as essential ingredients are carefully measured. Botanical extracts, meticulously prepared, enrich the formula.
We need 3 more pallets of the aloe vera moisturizer over here.
Coming right up. Watch the forklift.
Every drop of vitamin E oil is added with unwavering care. Hyaluronic acid is meticulously weighed, ensuring formula integrity. Each botanical extract is chosen for its specific nourishing properties. The golden glow of vitamin E oil signifies its nourishing power. Every ingredient is accounted for, upholding the highest quality standards. The synergy of all carefully selected ingredients creates our superior formula. In the formulation room, pure aloe vera essence is meticulously blended. Witness the meticulous transformation of aloe into a velvety, potent lotion. Precision and purity define every step in the creation process. Rigorous testing ensures unmatched quality and efficacy. In the vast bottling hall, precision machinery fills each bottle with the essence of aloe vera. Pristine bottles enter the automated production line, ready for our premium aloe vera. Precision machinery ensures every bottle receives its perfect measure of aloe vera. Precision bottling ensures every drop of aloe vera lotion is perfectly contained, ready for use. Precision and vigilance define each stage, ensuring product integrity. Precision machinery expertly seals each bottle, ensuring product integrity. Induction sealing ensures freshness, a vital step in quality assurance. Elegant labels are perfectly applied, completing the product's identity. Every label reflects our commitment to premium presentation. Batch codes provide traceability, ensuring every product can be tracked. Our advanced systems ensure every product meets stringent quality standards. The artistry of automation, where every detail is perfected. From capping to coating, every stage is a testament to our commitment. Precision and care go into every package, ensuring our aloe vera products reach you perfectly. The final products are sealed and ready for their journey. At the final quality control station, an expert ensures every product meets our rigorous standards. In the lab, every detail is scrutinized, ensuring premium quality before release. The quality control expert meticulously checks the final product against rigorous standards. Rigorous quality control ensures every batch meets the highest standards. The finished aloe vera products are carefully stacked, ready for distribution. Automated systems ensure products are perfectly prepared for shipment.
Coming right up. Watch the forklift.
Precision loading ensures the fresh aloe vera reaches its destination perfectly. The finished product embarks on its journey from our factory to you.